Hey, I'm David Walston. I'm CPA, run a tax business and accounting business, and I wanted to do a quick video on how to file an extension using Drake's tax software. So we're going to look at just the two partner pass-through entity extensions. That is for a 1120S and a 1065. They're relatively easy, but this will be a quick step through that process. So Drake provides some trading tax returns, and so we'll be using those as our example tax returns. Let me pull up the first one here, which is a partnership for tax return, and they're both pretty reasonably the same on what you do to get the extension filed. So if you'll take a look here, this is your fake tax return, no real information here. To file an extension, you want to click on the e-file selection screen. Federal 7004. If you need to file a state extension, depending on the state, some of them allow you to file an extension, some of them do not. So if your state has an extension form, you should go in here and do it. This fake tax return is in Georgia. They don't have an extension form. A lot of the returns I do in Wisconsin, Utah, they don't have extension forms. South Carolina, a lot of these don't have extension forms to file for a 6-month extension. Essentially, if you file for an automatic 6-month extension with federal, you automatically get it with the state if they don't have their own. So once you've got that selected, you want to go to other forms, extension, generate extension, and that should be it unless you need to put anything else in there. So for partnerships, it's going to be this. Standard partnerships, it's going to be 09. It's not a foreign. This one's not foreign, but if there is, you might need to fill out more information. But if not, then that should be it. You should be able to hit calculate, and it should be green. Now, if it's not green, it's probably because you don't have the PIN information filled out, this information, or you don't have your information on here. So this stuff flows from K1, so if it's a new client, you're going to have to set up a signer at the top here. Whoever signs the return, all this information plus their title needs to be filled out for it to be green. So if it generates as green, like this, then you hit e-file select, and it'll throw it into the queue to submit. So let me pull up the other one real quick that we're going to look at, which is 1120S, and that is this fake business. And this one I've already played with. It's the same thing. You come in here and check the box. If there's a state extension you have to file, you can just select that. And then on other form screen, you want to generate extension. And then if you do need to fill out anything else, fill it out. But most simple 1120S and 1065, so you're not going to fill out anything else. And then you're going to go back over here and hit calculate. Oh, look, it's already there. Hit file. There it is. And then when we go to submit those under e-file and transmit, you'll see there's one partnership. That's the fake entity there. And then there's one subchapter S. And there it is. So that's how you file an extension in Drake software. It's pretty simple. Feel free to leave any comments if you have questions. Thanks.